This monitor's so wide, it might just ruin your old setup. LG 34-inch ultra-wide beast. Ever feel like your cramped monitor is low-key sabotaging your genius? You've got 12 tabs open, your Zoom box eats half your Excel sheet, and gaming? Don't even go there. Whether you're editing, working, or gaming, that tiny screen is robbing your time, precision, and patience. Say goodbye to split-screen chaos and lost pixels. You deserve more than a glorified tablet pretending to be a monitor. It's 2025, your eyes, your workflow, and your KD ratio deserve an upgrade that actually makes a difference. Cue the jaw drop, it's time to unleash the LG 34WP65CB UltraWide QHD monitor. Why is this LG 34-inch ultra-wide monitor the undisputed champ? For starters, it delivers 33% more screen space than a standard FHD, and its 21:9 curved VA panel literally pulls you into the action. With HDR10 and sRGB 99% color gamut, this isn't just a screen, it's a color-accurate, productivity-pumping, gaming-enhancing viewing experience. Whether you're designing in Photoshop, editing videos, or slaying noobs in high-res, this monitor doesn't just keep up, it outpaces. Pair that with AMD FreeSync Premium, and you've got seamless motion that makes other monitors look like PowerPoint slides. Let's talk specs that slap. QHD resolution at 3440 by 1440, 160 Hz refresh rate, and 1 millisecond MBR for crisp, blur-free action. Throw in black stabilizer, dynamic action sync, and crosshair mode, and you've basically got gamer cheat codes built into your display. It's also a multitasking dream for remote workers with its borderless 3-side design, tiltable height-adjustable stand, and built-in stereo max audio speakers. It's not just a monitor, it's your command center. Whether you're gaming, coding, editing, or doom scrolling, this screen is your new MVP. Still think it's just another fancy screen? Let's do the math. This LG ultra-wide saves you the cost of dual monitors, declutters your desk, and supercharges your multitasking mojo. The wide field of view eliminates constant alt-tabbing, while its vibrant display cuts down editing time. The included HDMI and DisplayPort connectivity means no adapter headaches, and the built-in speakers mean fewer cables to wrangle. In short, this monitor buys back your time, streamlines your workflow, and levels up your daily grind, without you lifting more than a finger. Bottom line? This monitor is the full package. Affordable for what it offers, reliable as a golden retriever, and built like a tank, but sleek. Whether you're grinding spreadsheets, building worlds in Unreal Engine, or just binge-watching on a Sunday, the LG 34WP65CB is a future-proof investment in your eyes, output, and overall sanity. High quality. Long-lasting. Feature-packed. It's not just worth it, it's a crime not to have it on your desk. Don't just upgrade. Evolve.